Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर आनी सगळे तुमी कशी आसात भलायकेन आनी सावधीन. तर today I am going to show you a fish curry and I will say thanks to our friend Gasper who gave us this fish, and this is called Gholshi in Konkani, and in English it is milky fish. So if you have any other name for this, please do comment. What do you call in your country and in your city or in your place, in your village? So I'm going to clean this first now, and then I will show you all how to make curry and fish fry. Okay, so please do continue watching. So first thing, we will clean this, and they have got a lot of scales, so we will have to remove all the scales. So this is done one side, and now I will do the other side. So now we'll cut this. So now we'll cut this. So we'll cut the head first, head part, and then just cut from here. So here I have cut this all. Now I will wash, apply salt, and I'll show you the next procedure. So this is cleaned. Now we'll put salt to this. And we'll keep this aside. And we'll put little bit of turmeric powder. Very little. Now to make the curry masala, we need this is half onion, 3 green chilies. This is 1 pot of garlic I've used. You can use less. So this is like around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 flakes of garlic. Then this size of ginger. 2 chilies, Goan chilies, dry chilies. You can use any chilies, whatever is available. Then this is 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds. Then this is 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, this much of cinnamon stick, 3 cloves, and 6 of peppercorns, and 1 of cardamoms. And this is 1 coconut, grated coconut. Okay, so this is 1 grated coconut. You can use designated coconut. And we will need 1 cup of thick coconut juice for this curry. So let's start. We'll grind this into a fine paste. Which mixer I am using, please check on my description box. Very good mixer, that is Bosch. Everything does very quick job. We'll add water and grind this. So now what we need is, I have taken this 1.5 onion, then 2 tomatoes, a smallest ball of tamarind soaked and kept, few curry leaves, and this is the coconut juice. And this is the ground masala. So I've used little bit of oil, very little of oil. It's like 1 small teaspoon of oil. Yeah, 1 teaspoon, small teaspoon of oil. Now I will add curry leaves. So coconut juice I have taken off 1 whole coconut separately. Now that is optional. If you don't want to add coconut juice, that's fine. We'll add tomato to this. Now we'll add our grounded masala paste to this. Here, and we'll add water to this, like around 1 cup from the mixer only. You can take the remaining and add water. Now we'll add this tamarind water. Now if you want to grind this, you can grind this tamarind along with the masala. So let this get a nice boil. and then we will add our curry pieces. So now we'll add our curry pieces. So it's gone. Now we'll add our salt to this. Check the salt. So we'll add our salt first. So fish also has got salt, so we'll check our salt. So we need to add our salt. So around 1 teaspoon of salt, and then you can check it again. Let this cook. Fish gets cooked very quickly, so 5 minutes, and then we'll add our coconut juice. So now the fish is cooked, and now we will add our coconut juice. That's it. 5 minutes and our curry is ready. And here my curry is ready to go on rice. The fish is cooked and it's done. So hope you all will like this curry. Okay, this is again a Goan curry only. It's not something different. My grandmother used to make curry like this for Gholshi. Okay, so different houses, every house of Goan will make different. They will make reddish color by adding Kashmiri chili or something like that. But I prefer this way because my grandmother showed me. So hope you all will enjoy this and do let me know how was it. Thank you so much. Thank you.